Hello, everybody. Hello. What's up? We're here from the shipping company. Nobody runs. Nobody runs. Where you running to, miss? Where you running to, miss? Guys, we're here in Penwood. We're at a school. This is what? This is school for preschool?
Yeah.
It's preschool. Okay, nice. One of our what name?
School. Backyard school.
Backyard. What's your name?
Melissa McKinley.
Melissa McKinley. So these are all your students, miss? These are all your students? Everybody here is a part of school? You're not a part of school? You're a teacher? No. Okay. Oh, he's a niece, so she help out? Yes, she help out. Okay, nice. How you guys doing? Alright, nice. So miss, how long you been having school?
Well, since the pandemic really got,
Okay.
you know why, it's the first
Yeah. So you get it more official now.
endorsement.
Yeah.
Tankwell came in and
Oh, Zin, big up Tankwell.
then 12 kids moved to 20 and then from 20
Wow.
to 41 and
41, whoa.
uh-huh.
This is excellent. And I see you have your board all over the place and your charts.
Tankwell, yeah, they gave me words and so.
Nice, big up Tankwell, big up
NCB,
NCV too.
yeah,
Wow.
NCB Foundation, they passed through with some tablets for some kids because of 41 of them and
41, so
yeah,
you need more tablets.
6 of them will only have them personal tablets. So
Oh, nice.
you know?
And we have some more tablets
Yes,
here.
because we still have some left back. Thanks to Linval and the wife.
Yeah.
Yes.
Linval, you hear that? Big up yourself, Linval. I tell you.
Pick up yourself, Linval
Yeah.
and
There-
wife.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
tablets
both
are
Linval
here.
and wife, yeah.
Okay, nice man. This is excellent. This is good stuff, man. Good stuff. I love it. Thank you so much for your service. You see, you have the young minds and you're training them up well. This is excellent. Thank you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, Linval, you're making it happen, you know. All right. Catch you guys later. Bye bye. Say bye bye for me now. Guys, say bye bye.
Thank you, Linval.
All right. Catch you guys later. Bye. Nice.